Okay, before I start wet sanding, what I want to do is go over the cracks with a Gundam marker, black. Hopefully this will cover up. Oh yeah, that's doing the trick. All these spots where the stupid primer is peeking through. And this looks okay, but I'll do it anyways. There. Looks okay on this end. Let's do the other side. There. Okay. That did it, I believe. Okay. Oh wait. Crap. Get all this in here too. The back looks okay, miraculously. Okay. So let this dry. So Gundam marker again comes in handy. Okay, so I got some 1000 here. Let's sand away the lint. Oh, I got it. I took it off easily. Just need to make sure this goes evenly. But I'll make sure to get the whole area. Basically, I have to go over this entire car, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Got lots of lint. A lot of dust came on this, unfortunately. Just tiny, tiny little specks of dust everywhere. I have to go over it with another coat of paint, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so I just went over the model first with 1000, and then 1200, 1500, and 2000 sandpapers, wet sanding. Next, I'm going to use polishing cloths, 2400, 4000, 6000, and 8000. Golly. Okay, so here's the car body. It's looking pretty dull, but I sanded it a lot. I just want to make sure that this is going to be going to go on smoothly when I reapply the paint. Hopefully it'll look okay with the second coat of paint. Just too many bad things happened with this, and too much dust came into the paint mixture. So that's why I bought this thing here. This dust catcher by GSI Krios. So normally I would have just held on to this and just uploaded this much later after I make some real progress, but I'm just gonna upload this tonight because I have a new camera and it's gonna be HD. So since I've already started filming this stuff with my regular camera that I'm using right now, I just want to upload what I've done so far, and from now on I got a new Nikon Coolpix. This is what is it? It's S6600. So yeah, high definition. Be pretty great. So I haven't really used it much. but I'll probably make a video pretty soon with this. So anyhow, this is it. It's gonna go in the box. I am going on a road trip, so I'll have to get back to this model kit later. So anyhow, thanks for being patient with the progress on this kit. I know I'm kind of scatterbrained. I do a lot of different kits all at the same time. I can't really focus on just one. I guess I get kind of pulled in different directions. Just, you know, whatever whim I have. So I will get back to this though. I know my wife has been really anxious and patiently waiting for me to finish this. So I'll get back to you later on this. So bye.